Turning now to some breaking news at noon. A Milwaukee County judge upholding the results of Wisconsin's presidential election. Rebecca Clough live outside the Milwaukee County Courthouse with the latest on this ruling. Rebecca.
Yeah, Ryan, less than an hour ago, a judge ruled Joe Biden will continue to be the winner of the presidential election here in Wisconsin. He refused to throw out any votes, which is what the Donald Trump campaign was asking for. They asked for votes in both Dane and Milwaukee's county to be tossed out.
The certification of the results of the 2020 Wisconsin presidential election after the Dane County and Milwaukee County recounts is affirmed.
This lawsuit was first filed in the Wisconsin Supreme Court following the recount. Now, the Supreme Court said they wouldn't hear the case because it first needed to go to the circuit court. So that's where it was today. This morning, a judge heard arguments from the Trump campaign that early in-person votes in Milwaukee and Dane counties should not count. Their main arguments were absentee ballot envelopes should not have been allowed to be corrected by the clerk's office if their addresses were not fully entered. People were wrong in calling themselves indefinitely confined, and people who voted early in person did not correctly fill out an application to vote that way. A judge said he received hundreds of pages of legal documents all on those issues. He's read through them before he issued his ruling today.
Taking all that into account, because the court is satisfied the rules and guidelines applied in each of the disputed areas are reasonable and a correct interpretation of the underlying early absentee voting laws.
Now, as expected, the Trump campaign asked that the judge quickly make his ruling. They said they're going to be appealing it to the Wisconsin Supreme Court. They said the court was expecting that appeal today. Reporting live, Rebecca Clough, TMJ4 News.